Hi guys, this is me again, Regina from Regina's All Times World. If you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I made a new video. So today we're gonna talk about the United Nations costume. So I still have one costume that I made DIY for my son Joseph. I made it alone by myself with no sewing machine, just my my hand. So this is really the DIY. So first, the country that he's representing is the Nepal. So Nepal is an Asian country, and they have this hat and colorful costume. So what I did is I searched at Google, and this is the picture that I saw, and I copied it. So I went to the textile shop in SM. It's called Tela Fabrica, and I looked for a specific textile for this kind of costume. So first, I already made this, guys. This is his costume last year. So what I did for the clothes here, I use his long sleeve for sample. So first, I made this sleeve. So I put the sleeve here and then cut it here and sew it both sides. So you just sew it here in the lower part, in the arm area here, and here is not. And then the body area. Okay, and then here I just cut like his shirt, and then I had it open here, so as you can see. So this is usually like this. So and then I cut it in the side. I used a lighter or candle to seal the textile, and then put a candle glue down below. So I have a hole here for the button, and as you can see, I put it together and then put the button here and another button down below here in the side. So actually this is damaged already. It's like it was been cut in the front. So this is the finished style of the shirt. And then I also use his pajama to make his pants. So here it is. It's cute. So what I did is I had the pajama fold like this, and then I cut two of this, the textile, and then I sew it together here like that, guys. I sew here and here, and then in the middle here for the legs. So this is all DIY, guys. I don't have any background for sewing or tailoring, something like that. I just made it. And also here in the waist, I use a garter to make it stretchable. So there's the pants. And also I bought this ribbon or lace in the Tela Fabrica also. This is for the waist. I put what do you call this? Automatic here for locking it. So here it is, guys, for the waist. And then for the headdress or hat, I use the textile, same textile, and then I use a cardboard box in here, or cardboard or like a folder. Cut it and put it here, like around. And then also at the top, I put a cardboard and glue it, candle glue it. So here it is, guys. It's open already because Matthew, he likes to shred and he got to it. So this is the hat. As you can see. So I'm gonna call Joseph for get out. Oh, that's automatic. Just pull it. Okay, guys. There's the clothes of Joseph. He doesn't want me to put it on him, so I let his papa do it, and he did. He was crying when I was the one doing it. Good job, Joseph. Wow. You want your friends?